miles per hour. As he reaches ribbon number 1, he goes into right knife edge to slice the first one, left knife edge to slice the second, and then to take out the third. That's the money shot. Let's hear it for Sean D. Tucker. Only Oracle offers integrated cloud applications and platform services. Oracle accelerates digital transformation for customers, delivering extreme performance at the lowest cost. Complete business and technology solutions in the cloud or in your data center, only from Oracle. Now let's watch and go back to the cockpit as Sean descends for his low-altitude, low-speed pass. Sean D. Tucker, you are on.
I am waving. I'm doing my God Bless America salute to all my dear friends in Salinas. Okay, the kid in the yellow shirt, yeah. Give me a wave. Can you say yeah, baby? Okay. Give me a wave. Hey, Mom. Thanks for coming to the show. I love you. Okay, you guys. God bless America. Let's go. You see a man or woman in the military, you give him a kiss. You give him a hug. You tell him thanks for protecting those freedoms. And you too, Mr. Fun Anderson. It's an honor to have you here at Salinas.
And he just gave you a big smile, Sean D. Tucker.
Let's go do the Harrier.
And 2 thumbs up from him. That's so cool. Now, Sean just said, let's do the Harrier.
This is incredible.
Sean D. Tucker is now going to honor the men and women of the United States Marine Corps by doing his tribute to the AV-8B Harrier II jump jet that can hover in place, and now using only 70% of his available power, he slows the airplane down into a hover, showing you why he's one of the best of all time. Holding it there, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 seconds, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. How about that? I've never seen him hold it that long. 30 seconds in a hover. Way to go, Sean D. Tucker. Sean is the winner of the U.S. National Advanced Aerobatic Trophy. He's the only person to have been awarded the Bill Award for Showmanship and the Art Scholl Memorial Showmanship in the same year. In 2005, he was honored by the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum as one of the 20